How to install cabinet handle just using masking tape. Let's get to it. Here is my template for the small handle, and this is my other template for my longer handle. Put piece of masking tape on your leveler so you have a straight edge, and cut the end, mark the other end. I left a gap here, same with here. Draw a line straight. Put your handle just like this and mark off the center of the hole. Same thing at the other end. Put your handle up. Make sure that you're close to the edge where your measurement is at. Then take off the center of the hole. Alright, the purpose of that ticking is you tick the hole on the top, you tick the hole on the side, and then now you draw a line down, you draw a line across, and this will give you the center on where you need to put a hole or drill a hole, and that marks that hole right there, the screw bolt or the screw. Now find the center of your handle, which I have marked here. That is my center of my handle. So I have marked my center here. The total is 26 3/8, so I have 13 1/4. Now sometimes math sucks. I'm trying to figure out a specific center. What you want to do is you measure from here, right? This is where I measured mine, so 13 1/4. So it ended up right here, 13 1/4, and I measured from here 13 1/4. It ended up over here, second line. So what I'm gonna do is just put it right there in the middle, and that's dead on center. If you guys want to be really technical about installing the handle. So I use my square to draw a line in the center, and time to put my template. So I'm gonna peel this out and line that center to that center. There you go. You don't have to really stick it in there. All you're just doing is straight center, drill a pilot hole. We're just gonna mark it. Then take off your template, resume drilling pilot hole. Okay, I'm using a 5/32, depending on your bolt size, so pay attention to that. Alright, I'm also using this for the back. The reason I'm using it is also to sit flush, but the screw that came with my handle is short. I can screw it in 2 threads, but with the tapered, it actually secures the handle. All right, that's what it looks like sticking out. So it's enough, but not enough to hold your weight. There you go. There you have it. Even, centered. And I've been using this piece of tape for all my cabinets. This is the small template that I've done that and all of this. So pretty simple, not a jig, but cheaper way. Alright, thanks for viewing, and subscribe if you've got time.